So Claire wanted to see what the inside of this broken thing looked like. So I took this captive ring off the back of it and it just snaps, keeps it shut. And that's how your steering wheel works. It's all just wound up so that whenever you turn the wheel, there's still connections. I don't know why there's all this weird stuff. But so somewhere in here, actually if you look, I can't see. Yeah, see? Check that out. Looks like a messed up contact. Yeah, that's, well, not even sure. But that's how that works. Pretty neat.